I'm Laurie March, Project Manager and Home Improvement Pro, and I'm on the road with Renewal by Andersen all across the country, meeting special folks and seeing their cool projects that open a window into the past and the future. Today I'm in Alfred, Maine, and I'm at the home of Beth and John Folsom. I cannot wait to tour this historic 1800s home.
Beth and I have always been in older houses, but in older houses are a lot of work, but the character that's in an older house is amazing because you know the work that went into it before you.
What year was this house built?
It was built around 1833 by a William Littlefield.
Wow.
And the ironic thing about that is my wife is a Littlefield. The Littlefield built this house, and if you head towards the ocean, there's Littlefields everywhere.
Your people are everywhere.
Yeah, they kind of are.
So, but you did not grow up in this house.
I did not.
You did, right?
I did. My father moved here in 1950, and the option came to move back in, and so Beth and I purchased it, and we're living it out. The first thing Beth wanted was something done about the windows. The Renewal by Andersen was definitely the choice, because we were moving windows that had been here for hundreds of years.
Yeah, we really wanted the continuity because they were originally the same color as the woodwork, and so you needed to keep that the same. And then the black on the outside was a big deal, that we had that choice. A lot of times you don't have a choice of two colors.
And color is important to you.
It is. I love color, as you can tell. I have a lot of different colors.
You sew as well. What do you make when you sit down in the sewing room?
Well, I would make clothes for the children. I'd make their coats and their dresses, because I had 3 girls, so I made a lot of dresses.
So many memories in this house.
There is. There's a lot of memories.
The children all still have a lot of memories here because Grammy and Grandpa lived here. You know, caretaker is care, taking care. So to pass that heritage down, I think one of them will want it, and they'll be the next caretakers.